Hey, what's up, everyone? Are you trying to manage multiple accounts on the Messenger app but you're not sure how? It used to be a little tricky, but with the new updates, it's actually pretty simple. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to add and switch between multiple accounts on Messenger. Alright, so first things first, open up the Messenger app on your phone. From the main chat list, you're going to your profile. The easiest way to do this is to tap on your profile picture and it will take you to your settings menu. Once you are in the settings menu, you'll need to scroll down a bit. Look for a section that says switch account or an option with a plus sign next to it that says add account. The wording can change slightly with new updates, but you're looking for that function. It is usually located under your name and active status, so keep an eye out for it. Now, once you find that option, tap on it. You'll see a list of accounts you have already added. To add a new account, tap on the Add Account button. This will bring up the login screen. From here, you just need to enter the email or phone number and password for the new account you want to add. Once you have entered the information, hit login. After you successfully log in, Messenger will save that account. Now, the next time you want to switch, the process is even easier. Just go back to your profile settings by tapping your profile picture. From there, go to the Switch Account menu and you'll see a list of accounts you have already added. Just tap on the account you want to use and Messenger will switch to it instantly. So there you have it. It is a pretty straightforward process once you know where to look. Now you can easily manage your different accounts for personal or professional use from one app. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.